should we get a marker? We should decorate it, right?
Right.
Hey, assistant, what are we gonna do today?
Make our own gigantic squishy.
Like this one right here.
No, it's gonna be as big as this whole tub.
It might even be bigger. How are we gonna make our squishy?
I'm gonna put this squishy in.
We're gonna donate a squishy in it. So we're gonna put squishies inside of our squishies.
This squishy.
So we got one chemical.
One chemical.
And then another chemical right there. And we're gonna mix them together with food coloring and make a squishy. Hey, what color should we make?
Blue.
You wanna make a blue squishy?
Wait, purple.
We got yellow, green, or blue.
Yellow, green, or blue?
Yeah, I like your idea of blue.
Yeah, I like the idea of blue.
So we're gonna use blue food coloring.
What about red? Because strawberries are red.
So we're gonna use red. She changed her mind. Okay, let's show everybody how we make it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, assistant. So first we've gotta add our first chemical. So this is our Polytech Polyfoam Castable Foam. So what this is just for making a squishy. So we open it up and I'm gonna pour some in. Ready?
Ready.
So we gotta do equal parts of both, that's right. So we're gonna put it in.
It looks like corn syrup.
It does look like corn syrup, right? Oh, so let's see. A little bit more. All right, ready?
Ready.
Now we gotta put our, let's make it all. Let's just see what happens if we put it all in. You think we just put it all in?
I don't know, but maybe.
We're just gonna put all of it in. Whoa, look, so sister, you see the bottom of it? Look at it. All right, so one's in. Now we're gonna put the other one in. Ready? Oh, look at
it. Is it glue?
It kind of looks like.
It looks like glue.
Okay, assistant, put the food coloring in. No, don't turn it off. Did you turn it off? Okay, so now the assistant's gonna put the food coloring in.
Should I put all of it?
Sure. So people at home, we're making a giant red squishy. What do you think? Oh, assistant. There you go. I think you're spilling some.
Got it all. That's all.
All right, so here. Whoa. What do you think? Do you think this is a good idea we're making it so big?
I don't know.
Okay, so now I'm going to start mixing it. Then we're gonna let the assistant mix it for a while, and then we're gonna start making our giant squishy.
Okay.
You want to finish pouring it in?
Sure.
Here, you can hold the camera and pour it. So here you go. Just leave it right over there. So the assistant's gonna pour, and I'm gonna use this yardstick and start to mix it. Ooh, look at this. This is like we're making a squishy factory, right?
Right.
Assistant, maybe we have too much squishy juice in here. Do you think we got too much squishy juice?
Yeah.
What happens if we make too big of a squishy? Wiggles, what are you doing? Wiggles wants to see our squishy too.
Yeah.
All right, so that's not gonna see if we got any more of this. All right, ready? All right, so we're still mixing it. All right, so I think that's good.
That's the wind is blowing it that way.
All right, ready? So mix. Oh, look at it! Look at all of it!
I really want to mix it.
You want to mix it? Okay,
Yeah,
you mix it.
like gummy bear mix.
So you're mixing it. Oh, Wiggles is looking at you mixing it. Whoa.
It looks like gummy bear mix.
It does, but it's gonna start to get really, really big pretty quick.
Yeah, it's gonna start to expand.
It is already expanding. It's just that we made way too much. This is gonna make it.
I don't know if it's gonna fill up that.
It's going to be way huge. Okay.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh boy, we might have to make two. So now we're gonna
put it in.
We're gonna pour it in. Here, I'll help you, assistant. I'll help. So she's got her squishies in, and look, we're pouring it.
Whoa.
We're pouring. All right, hey, assistant, go give me that rule of that yardstick. He walked right in front of the camera.
Sorry.
Here we go, let me see. So people at home, we're making the world's, this is gonna be a really big squishy.
Yeah. Whoa!
Okay, now we're just gonna watch it grow, okay?
Okay. Should we stir it up more?
I don't think so. I think we just need to watch it grow.
Okay. Keep looking.
So we're gonna watch our squishy grow.
This could be my pillow.
It could be, but look at how big it is. And Wiggles is so excited. Wiggles is like, I want to play.
Oh, Wiggles.
Assistant, it still's growing.
Woo. If you see Jello for the first time, it's jiggly.
So now it's growing, Assistant. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Now, people at home, what we're doing is we're making a special kind of polymer.
Yeah.
By
it's so
adding
fun.
2 different pieces and letting it grow.
Right.
And then it takes it a couple hours to cure, and then we're gonna take it out and see how big it is.
Uh-huh.
Are you excited?
Right. And you can even dye it.
Yeah, so
Like
see,
dye the color.
we made it, let's show
Red.
the people at home, we made it kind of like a pinkish red, right?
Right.
And all we used was food coloring, right?
Right. It's getting warm.
That's because it's what they call an exothermic reaction. So when it actually makes the squishy, it generates heat. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah, that's called an exothermic reaction. People at home, can you say exothermic? Go exothermic. And that means it gives off heat. All right. Now, Assistant, should you touch it?
No.
No, touching it would be a really bad idea, right?
It will stick to you.
Yeah, so you got to make sure that you don't touch the squishy.
Right.
Okay, Assistant, I think it's expanded as much as it's going to expand, right?
Right.
Okay, so what color is it?
Red. But it looks kind of pinky.
It's kind of a pinkish color, right? But it's not completely what they call cured. So right now it's really sticky. Let me show you. So before a smushy becomes super soft, it becomes real sticky. So if we wanted to, right now we could decorate it. We could put little eyes in it, and you could put like a nose. But look, see how it's kind of sticky? But it's tough, right? You want to hit it?
You're right.
Wow, isn't that neat? Whoa, good job. Whoa, whoa.
Wait, ready? I'm gonna make an eye.
Oh, she's pushing so hard. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take the squishy out of the tub and show you what it looks like. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
All right, Assistant, we're gonna take that out and then we're gonna show the people at home.
Okay, let's do it.
So, Assistant, what do you have?
The squishy.
Here, throw it to me. Oh, I've got it. And look, we've got the squishies in the bottom.
Yeah, there's still squishy.
All right, ready, Assistant? Ready to catch the squishy?
Okay.
Oh!
It's so heavy.
It's such a big squishy. Ready, throw it to me.
Oh.
So, Assistant, here it is. Hold it up like that for everybody to see. Ready?
I love the bottom.
So it's got a little grass on it because it's still a little sticky, right?
I love the bottom. It's still really squishy right there.
And look, it looks like a giant pillow, right?
Right.
Yeah, you want to give it a big hug? Oh, look at the big, she's hugging the world's biggest squishy. Hey, should we get a marker and we should decorate it, right?
Right. My shirt's stuck.
So that's the world's biggest squishy. Now, people at home, have you ever made squishies before? Throw it here, Assistant. Give me a good throw. Oh.
I'll catch it.
Look, so here it is, right? So like it's all
It's so soft on the sides.
Look at how soft it is. Wow.
That's how hard it is.
And look, there's a squishy inside of it.
Yeah, it's so cool.
We put squishies inside of our squishies. Ready? I'm not gonna throw it that hard. Here you go, Sis. You can take it. Okay, everybody at home. What do you think?
Let's get a marker.
Yeah, you think the assistant should decorate the world's biggest squishy?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Okay, everyone, let us know if you have your parents leave a comment if you want to learn how to make squishies just like the assistant and I. Right, assistant?
Right. And you could probably make a bigger squishy than this.
That's right. You could definitely make a bigger one. All right, let's go decorate that squishy, okay?
Okay.
Hey everyone, are you ready for a fun science experiment with the assistant? Let's make some elephant's toothpaste. Look it come out. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Hey assistant, are you ready for a super fun science experiment?
Yeah.
What are we gonna make today?
Elephant toothpaste.
Do elephants brush their teeth?
I guess so.
All right, so in the first cup right there, we're gonna use what they call yeast. Now this is the yeast for making pizza. So put that into the cup nice and gently so you don't spill any. Keep pouring. So all of it's in there. Hey, did you know that elephants brush their teeth?
No.
Okay, now stir that up really, really well.
It kind of looks like ice cream. But
It does, huh?
But it's not. Wait, should we use this or don't use?
We're not gonna use it yet. You just gotta stir it really, really well. Okay.
Now it looks like, it smells like elephant poop.
Oh, it smells, well, we'll see about that. Okay, now the assistant's gotta take 12% hydrogen peroxide and pour it into the funnel, into the giant. There you go. Now you gotta have help from your parents with this. This is why the assistant's wearing goggles and she's wearing gloves. Okay, now bring that a little bit closer to you, assistant. Okay, so the assistant added this hydrogen peroxide. Now she's gonna add a little food coloring. So take a couple drops of the red food coloring and add that.
Should I put it in the...
Put it right in that funnel.
Okay, 2?
Sure, maybe even 3 to be silly.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. Okay, now add some dish soap to it.
Dish soap?
Yeah, the soap, the blue soap right next to it. You see that?
Oh, right.
Just pour that on in.
Wait, all of it?
No, not all of it, just a little bit more. That should be good, right there, that's plenty. Okay, now we're gonna make elephant toothpaste. So we're gonna put it right in the middle and get ready for the super cool thing, okay?
Okay, it looks like purple.
It does look purple. Okay, so now that we're using the yeast for pizza, right?
Right.
Now the assistant's gonna add the yeast into the mixture and let's watch and see what happens. Whoa, look at it, it's growing. It's growing, assistant. What's happening? Whoa.
Should I touch it?
No, move your cup from the yeast. Whoa, look at that. You made elephant toothpaste.
Can I touch it?
It probably isn't a great idea to touch it. No, you want to have a parent help clean it up. So this is using the yeast for pizza. And it came out the top. Wow.
Wow.
So that's what happens when we mix the yeast with the peroxide and in the soap. It causes it to bubble through the top. Now we're gonna use regular yeast to see if it's bigger or smaller, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now we're ready to do it with the baker's yeast. So get the yeast packet and drop it into the cup. Okay. And now we need to stir it up with a spoon. Really, really, really well. All right. What does it look like? It looks like a paste, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, now we'll take the hydrogen peroxide, we'll put the cup off, and we're gonna put that into the funnel. And this is where we have to be really careful not to spill it, right, assistant? That's why we got the cardboard down.
Yeah, just in case you don't get it on the floor or table.
That's right. So now we add the dish soap or the food coloring.
Dish soap.
All right, so put a lot of dish soap in there. A little bit more. Whoa, okay, now we'll add our food coloring.
Table.
Oh, a little bubble right there, isn't that silly? All right, so add some food coloring. So first you're gonna add some red, right? Okay.
Right.
And then you're gonna add the blue. And now we're gonna center it all and get it ready for the final step, okay?
Okay.
Okay, assistant, we've got everything ready. Now we just need to add the yeast into our special potion.
Right. It's not a potion. It's
Keep going, keep adding it.
It's
Oh, it's starting to grow, assistant. It's starting to grow. Whoa, look at it rise. It's not rising quite as fast as what it did before, is it?
Yeah, but it's rising.
That's right.
3.
So the pizza yeast seemed to work better than the regular yeast, didn't it?
Yeah, but at least this is working.
That's right. Pretty cool. So people at home, which one worked better? The first one or the second one? Assistant, what do you think?
First.
The first one worked a little better. But now if you look, this one's still growing, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's still growing. Now it's still pretty fun. And we needed hydrogen peroxide, we needed dish soap, baking yeast, and we added a little bit of food coloring, right?
Right. But if you didn't put food coloring in, it would look a little clear.
That's right, it would look clear and not like this, right?
Yeah.
So that is how we made elephant's toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste.
Now if you want to see more cool science experiences, make sure you subscribe.
Follow us on Facebook and Twitter and our secret spelling. What it's gonna be?
Science. How about elephant toothpaste?
Yeah.
ELEPHANT spells elephant, and then toothpaste is TOOTHPASTE, right?
Elephant toothpaste. Spell that in the comments.
And make sure you check out TEF Kids, TEF 123, and the assistant's very own TEF Animal Channel. Right?
Right.
All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, look, assistant, it's almost to the top. It's just going a lot slower, isn't it?
Let's keep watching.
Yeah, let's keep watching. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.